everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jamie, and behind me I have my fellow demon hunters. This is Quinn, Alex, Bo, and their mom Shannon, and they absolutely love K-pop demon hunters. It is #1 in kids movies, and from what I've heard, adults kind of like it too. I hope that you love it, and I hope you have so much fun. Let's show you how it's done. All right, we're gonna be warriors here, demon hunters. Yeah. What? You wanna get wild? Okay, I'll show you wild. Run it. Single, double. Keep going. 4, 3, right here. Single, double. 2. Keep going. Last one, get ready to punch. Knock him out. Good job. You're doing awesome. Last one, hold this. Knock out those demons. Come on. You're punching him. Now we're going to kick him. Drop it down. Kick. Front. Ha. Side to side. One kick, then punch. Are you ready to do it again? Yeah. All right, same thing. Let's go. Keep going. If this is too much for you, you can always just march. 4, 3, 2, 1. Sassy. Inhale, breathe. Squat down. All your energy. Inhale up. Good job. Get ready to kick. Here we go. Yes, that was awesome, guys. Good job at home. Whew. I hope you guys are having fun. We're having so much fun. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's not about getting all the moves. Hopefully you'll do this workout lots of times, this little dance party, and then it'll get easier and easier every time. Okay, our next song is Takedown. It's kind of mean, okay, but we're not mean. We don't do mean things, we don't say mean things, but we're gonna pretend that we're in this movie, okay? So we're just acting, and we're gonna take it down. Let's go.
100 girls to the world. It's
40s.
So sweet, so easy on the eyes, but easy on the inside. Whole life's pretty nice, but you can't hide.
Same thing, other side.
I'm about to switch up these vibes. I finally open my eyes. It's time to kick.
Good job. Swing those hips to the right.
'Cause I see your real face and it's ugly sin. Time to put you in your face 'cause you're rotten with it.
Keep going.
When your patterns start to show and makes the hatred want to
Hold this.
out of my face. I don't think you're ready for the takedown. Break you into pieces in a
Warrior. Taking him down. Slice it. Hold this. Right here. Box step. Again. Other side. Bring your
Look at all the messes that you're fooling, but they'll turn
Jog,
on you soon.
let's go.
So how can you
Get those
sleep
heels back.
or live with yourself?
We're gonna speed this up.
Get so trapped in
Here we
the
go.
nastiest shell. You're all the blood, the immortal boy. God, I watch you die.
Take it down.
You can try, but you can't
To the
hide.
right.
It's a takedown, I'ma take
Front
you out.
step.
Break down like what? It's a takedown, I'ma take you out. And it ain't gonna stop. I'ma cut you open, lose control, then rip out your heart. You'll be begging and crying, all you dying.
Let's take it down.
Take it down.
All right, we're gonna hold this last one. It's big and powerful. We're Demon Hunters. Last one, hold it.
Take it down.
Yeah, I like that. Good job, you guys. Woo! Hope you're sweaty, getting healthy. Okay, we have made it to the grand finale. That last song says, keep it all inside, the pain and the shame, keep it out of sight. But the message of this movie and why it was important for me to make a workout for you guys is to clarify that the movie is about owning your mistakes and being okay if you do have some demons that you're facing, or if there is something inside of you that maybe you think is going to make people like you less or not want to be your friend. But if you end up showing that side of yourself to everybody, then you're going to have better friendships and you're going to make deeper connections. And that's when you can really, that's when your voice gets the strongest and you get to glow. Be golden. That's right. All right, this has a really big beat at the beginning. Practice. It's gonna be strong. We're gonna take our arms and go out, and then we're gonna look up. Here we go. Step.
I was a ghost, I was alone.
Walk backwards. 4, 3, 2, other side.
Given the throne, I didn't know how to believe I was the queen that I'm
And we're
meant
gonna
to
take
be.
a walk.
I lived 2 lives, tried to pick
Now,
both sides,
shuffle.
but I couldn't find
Take it
my
back.
place.
And turn. Walk.
Child, 'cause I got too wild. But
Shuffle.
now that's how I'm getting paid. Could I see on stage? I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like I'm gonna be.
To the left.
Dreaming hard, we came so far now. I believe
We're gonna have a big old dance party.
we're going up, up, up. It's our moment. You know together we're going. Gonna be golden. Oh, up, up, up with our voices.
And we're gonna take it right here. And open.
Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like I'm gonna be. Oh, our time, no fears, no
Let yourself
lies.
shine.
That's who we're gonna be.
And take it up.
So long to break these walls down, to wake up and feel like me. Put these patterns all in the past now, and finally live like the girl they all see. No more hiding.
Let yourself shine, sparkle.
Shining like I'm born to be. 'Cause we are hunters, voices strong.
Are you guys ready for a dance party?
We're going up, up, it's our moment. You know together we're going. Gonna be golden. Oh, up, up, up with our voices. Gonna get you so
Open.
Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding now. I'm shining
Quinn, don't
like
hide away.
I'm gonna
She's hiding.
Oh, our time, no fears, no lies. That's who we're
We're
gonna
gonna do that shuffle again.
You know we're gonna be golden.
Take it back.
We're gonna be going. Like keeping the booty. You know that it's our time, no fears, no lies. That's who we're gonna be.
And up, down, cross. The same thing we did before. This time we're gonna put our crown on. You did such an amazing job. You did a great job. You did a great job. Thank you so much to these 3 special girls and their mom for helping us do this workout. And I just hope that you feel happy and excited and free. And that's the point of dancing. So we're just gonna take a breath in.